Hey everybody, I am here with Chastity and she is going to be sharing with you a very adorable layout using Build-a-Snowman accessory, which guys, it has been selling like crazy. So you definitely want to go on that. In the pre-sale, we were blown away by how many people are wanting that one. I think it's the most popular of this release. So I would say definitely hop on tomorrow if you haven't already. And the full release is tomorrow. We did have early access for Kiwi Club members started yesterday, so just make sure you're hopping on because and Chastity has some amazingly cute samples and ideas to share with you. So I am going to turn it over to her and she can share with you what she's got.
All right. So here I am. Hi, everybody. My name's Chastity Ray. And I'm very nervous about this, but it will be okay. I am new to live videos. This is my first video I have ever done on any platform, so just bear with me. But I created a layout with the Build-a-Snowman template, which, like she said, is selling like hotcakes. It's super adorable, but let me show you the layout and then I'll talk about it just a little bit. So hopefully you can see this. We're going to try to get it on there and give you a moment to look at that. Okay, so what I did was I talked about, I used several templates. I used, of course, the Build-a-Snowman. I used every template in the set with the exception of number 3. And then I also used Aspen Court 3A and 3B, and I layered it with Funky Frills 1A and 1B. That was the borders down here. And then I used Winter 3 and then Holiday 8T, which are my trees here and on my other page. Okay. So I love that I had 2 sizes of the trees. Then I also used Flurry 1, 2, and 3, which are all of my snowflakes that I had done along the way, and I layered those. So you can see those and everything. And then, of course, embellishments. Who doesn't like embellishments from wherever? But how about the snowman? Can you see the snowman here? Okay, so what that is, of course, the Build-a-Snowman set. And I used some embellishments for his cold buttons. And I drew on his little nose. And everything I did was glitter. My daughter, Trinity, she helped me. And of course, who doesn't like glitter? So all of my papers are glitter and shiny. So you can see that snowman. And then we've got, here's the larger snowman. He's waving at you. I think he's just super cute. But I also use the daubers and distress ink to put some little blue around the snowmans. I don't know if you can see that, but so that just kind of added a little bit to it. So there's my layout. I wanted to show you real quick. This is the full template set. Okay, so I put on here every one of the templates that you get in the set. So here's all the different hats, the scarf, and the 3 round circles for snowmen. I cut them out with scissors, so of course the circles are not perfect, but what snowman is, I mean, you're rolling him up in the snow and hopefully he stays put together. This little template set is what I used for all the faces. I used embellishments so I didn't necessarily trace everything. The arms I did, and then I cut them out. But so that's how we did that. Something else I did earlier today, I'm at work, so I don't have all my stuff with me. That's why you see all my office stuff in the background. But is I cut out the circles of the medium snowman body, and I used the template set and colored in and created little ornaments. So you could put that on a card, put some string on it, look like it's hanging ornaments, little bells. And I just thought that was kind of super cute. And again, I actually just colored that in because, like I said, I'm here at work with Ink Joy Papermate pens. So who doesn't like colored pens? I love all things like that. Something else I've done is here, of course, yes, it's a binder, but on my binder, I created 2 different snowmen so you can see the different hat options. Here is the top hat, and here is the little snow toboggan. And on the top hat, we've got the holly and his little green bow tie. And then over here, we have the toboggan or a small toboggan and the scarf. Okay. Something I wanted to show you how super easy using these templates were is I've got just a Sharpie here at work, and we're going to draw the face on these snowmen. So if you don't have the little brads or embellishments, all you've got to do is just put your little face on there, the little templates, draw it in with a Sharpie here. Of course, it's not perfect. That's okay. This is demonstration. Who's perfect? But boom, he's got a little face. Okay. So then you've got your buttons for him. And my hand is not long enough, but that's okay. So there's one. And we will try to get the other one on here if we can. And 2 and 3. So there you go. You have your little snowman. Okay. Some other little cute faces is, I think, the one with the little orange nose. So I don't know. Let me draw it on and then I will turn it around. How about that? And of course, here's my little orange ink joy pen. And it may not be the brightest, but I forgot my markers today to come bring them to work. And there you go. So now he's got his little orange nose. So there's so many different options with the template set. I don't know. I'm not seeing if there's any comments or questions. So I can try to scroll here, but I know people saying very cute. So thank you all. And thanks for the support. Like I said, this was my first live video. Hopefully I didn't sound completely crazy or anything. But again, I wanted to say and kind of give a little shout out to my daughter, Trinity, for helping me with these. She helped me do the cutting and deciding where everything went. So I love that I have her interested in scrapbooking now and crafting. She loves to go with me to crops, and she'll paint sometimes or she'll craft, but just having her with me means a lot. So hopefully people's going on about they can't wait to get this set. So if you haven't yet, order it. If you were a Kiwi Club member, you could order it yesterday, today. And then if you're not a Kiwi Club member, you can get it tomorrow. So I was super excited. I already had mine so I could play around with it, but I can't wait to get all the other new releases. Thank you, Kimberly, for saying that. It's kind of a simple layout. I'm one of these that like colors to coordinate, and everything kind of has to go together. My close friends that scrapbook with me, they know how kind of I am about that. But so we went along with this, but it's really cute with the reds and the greens with the top hat and the holly. So there's a lot of different options. And don't forget, just because it's a snowman set, that don't mean you can do just snowman. You can use the templates on anything, use them on your woodland creatures template set. Use the round snowman body for ornaments. So there's so many different things you can use. You can even, if you wanted to cheat, use circle punches. That way they're perfect shape for ornaments. But for snowman, he's not perfect. Nobody's perfect. So I'm starting to ramble. So I'm going to go ahead and go. Thank you all again. And everyone have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.